Easy Dab Cream Cleanser combines fine polishing aids, detergents, rust removers, water softeners, and wetting agents to produce a mild, abrasive cleaner, polish, and brightener that never scratches or dulls high-shine surfaces. The highly viscous, free rinsing formula clings to vertical surfaces longer for effective cleaning and will not leave a residue. Use Easy Dab on porcelain, ceramic, stainless steel, chrome fixtures, walls, floors, appliances, cement, metal hardware, and woodwork. Ideal for use in restrooms and throughout all other areas in any facility.